Maharashtra continues to remain the worst hit state as it now recorded 123 fatalities, the biggest spike in 24 hours. The state's total death toll is now over 2,700, hitting a new high. Maharashtra also reported 2,933 new COVID-19 cases. The total COVID-19 cases in the state has now crossed the 77,700 mark. Mumbai has been witnessing a rise in numbers of deaths for the past few days. The total number of deaths in Mumbai alone stands at 1,465. While more than 33,000 people have been discharged, former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has written to Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, alleging there that percentage of corona tests in Mumbai have been halved. Fadnavis has also raised concerns over the rising numbers of deaths as the testing is now reduced. Let's quickly go over to Kamlesh joining us for more details on this. Even as the Maharashtra government's mission begin again has already begun in the state, jogging, walking, exercising has also now been allowed at public places. My colleague Kamlesh Sutar gets you more from Mumbai.
The state government has announced mission begin again a few days before, and as I earlier mentioned that certain amendments have been made post the cyclone that came in on 3rd June. So what other things are going to start? We'll also read out to you, but meanwhile we'll also show you how people are gathering at Nariman Point and taking their morning walk. Apart from this, of course, people would be allowed to take morning walks at a park. However, gymnasium would still remain closed, and other activities. The first phase actually would be allowing outdoor physical activities like cycling, jogging, walking, and even self-employed people like plumbers, electricians would be allowed to undertake their job. However, public functions will not be allowed, and secondly, markets would also open up except malls and shopping areas. Of course, market areas would remain closed, but markets would be open, shops would be open on one side of the road. That would be on even and odd dates. That would be allowed in Mumbai. Taxis and rickshaws would also function, and that would be, of course, with certain restrictions laid down by the state government. So this would be from first phase and second phase that starts today, and of course the second phase, as planned earlier, would begin on the 8th of June. But for now, Maharashtra and Mumbai is slowly opening up, and people are certainly enjoying what they are calling it a fresh breath of air. With camera person Raju Namdar, Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai for India Today.
Right, let's quickly go over to Pankaj Upadhyay joining us live from Mumbai. Pankaj, take us through. We're looking at over 2,933 new coronavirus cases in just the last 24 hours in Maharashtra. But we're still seeing some work activity getting back to normalcy there in Mumbai. Take us through what you see on ground.
Yes, I think even though the relaxations have been given under Mission Begin, again, the fact remains the real challenge is going to start from 8th of June when the private offices are also going to start, even though they'll be working with 10% of the staff strength. The fact remains there's going to be huge traffic on that very day. Even today, as I was on ground zero, I could see there were huge traffic snarls in the morning because now the markets are open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I could see many cars, I could see many auto rickshaws as well, but they can only take those people who have essential work. At the same time, still the malls cannot remain open, even though markets will remain open. Gyms cannot remain open. Educational institutions will not remain open. So these are the restrictions that remain. Yes, as far as the outdoor physical activity is concerned, that has been allowed in the various beaches and the promenades as well. And that is why we see that some sort of life has now returned at the various famous hotspots like Marine Drive Promenade, be it Juhu and the other areas as well. But of course, there has been a new development as well. CISF has been placed at various places to see whether those people who are indulging in outdoor physical activity are also abiding by the rules and regulations. It has been made mandatory, even for those people who are exercising along the beaches and the promenade, they have to maintain social distancing, they have to wear masks at all time, and CISF personnel along with the Mumbai police has been deployed to see that they abide by the rules and regulations as well.
Right.
Even though cases, yes, are rising, the state is seeing numbers beyond 77,000. The cases in the financial city has risen beyond 44,000. But as the Chief Minister also said, now this is a new normal. People will have to do self-regulation. They have to get used to whatever is happening around, and the lockdown cannot stay forever. So the city and the state slowly limping back to normalcy now.
Pankaj, thank you very much. This is quite a relief, I'm sure, for Mumbaikars. Maharashtra.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.